Want to elevate your coffee game to pure luxury? These premium coffee machines and accessories bring cafe-level perfection straight into your home, with style to match. From rich brews to sleek modern designs, your morning routine is about to feel next level. All product links are in the description below. This espresso machine uses high pressure to pull rich flavor from finely ground beans, giving you that deep aroma and full-bodied taste you expect from a cafe. Its smart temperature control keeps both the coffee and milk froth perfectly balanced every time. The powerful steam wand lets you whip up cappuccinos, lattes, and more right at home. With 30 grind settings and a built-in bean hopper, you can customize each cup exactly the way you like it. Time to give your books a home that actually makes you smile. This playful bookcase looks like a turtle carrying your favorite reads right on its back, turning storage into art. A sturdy metal frame with 3 solid shelves keeps everything steady and secure. It blends nature with a touch of whimsy, making your space feel creative and unique. Set it down, load it up, and let this little creature carry the weight for you. Why watch movies on a tiny screen when you can take the cinema anywhere? This portable projector streams Netflix and thousands of apps through Google TV, turning any wall into a big screen experience. Autofocus and smart screen adaptation make setup instant, while dual 8-watt speakers with Dolby audio fill the room with sound. Compact and travel-ready, it's perfect for home, backyard movie nights, or even a weekend getaway. Big entertainment, no limits. Step into this tub and it instantly feels like a private spa. 56 jets go to work at once, with 26 massage jets easing tight muscles, while 30 bubbling nozzles wrap you in a soft, fizzy flow. 2 gentle waterfall pillows send warm, oxygen-rich water down your neck for a calming, melt-into-it feeling. The deep, roomy design gives you space to stretch out and fully unwind. And because it's built for 2, you can enjoy the experience side by side in total comfort. Movie nights just got an upgrade. This smart coffee table hides a mini fridge right inside the drawer, so cold drinks are always within arm's reach. You can play music through built-in speakers and set the mood with soft LED lights underneath. A touch panel on top lets you adjust the temperature, lighting, and even connect your TV Audio Plus. It has USB ports, extra outlets, and storage drawers, keeping your devices charged and your space organized. It's a simple plug-and-play way to make your living room smarter, cooler, and ready for any gathering. Mornings just got smarter. This digital toaster brings cafe-level precision right to your kitchen counter. The touchscreen lets you pick your perfect shade of golden crispness with a simple tap. No guessing needed. Whether it's bread, bagels, or waffles, smart sensors adjust heat and time automatically for flawless results. Each side works independently, so everyone gets their toast just the way they like it. Sleek, fast, and ridiculously easy to clean. Sometimes you just want a comfy seat without dragging out a full chair. This folding floor lounger gives you that sweet spot between a sofa and a cushion. You can prop the back at different angles so you can read, game, or meditate without slouching. The padding feels soft and supportive, giving you hours of easy relaxation. And when you're done, you just fold it flat and tuck it away. Your desk setup just got an upgrade. This RGB soundbar brings rich stereo sound and deep bass in a sleek, space-saving design that fits perfectly under your monitor. The dynamic lighting syncs with your music, creating a mini light show while you work or game. Control the volume easily with a smooth knob and simple touch controls. Just plug it in, press play, and let the vibes take over. Ever wish you could step into your own little gaming bubble? This pod chair wraps you in comfort while surrounding you with built-in speakers for that full-body sound experience. You can kick back, lie down, and play with a monitor set right where you need it. The curve of the seat supports you so you can game for hours without feeling cramped. It's basically your personal command center for pure relaxation. Meet the dustpan that cleans itself. This touchless vacuum activates automatically when you sweep near it. No bending, no scooping, no mess left behind. With 1,400 watts of suction, it instantly pulls in dirt, hair, and crumbs from any hard floor. Dual filters trap dust and return clean air to the room. It's the perfect cleanup buddy for kitchens, salons, and homes with pets. Always on and always ready. Hot Days just got a serious upgrade. This frozen drink maker uses advanced rapid chill tech to turn your favorite liquids, juice, coffee, soda, or even cocktails into perfectly smooth slushies without needing ice. Just pour, pick a setting, and let it do the rest. You can even tweak the thickness for your perfect texture. It's effortless, fun, and keeps your icy creations ready for hours. Hosting gets easier when the drinks make themselves. This mixer blends perfectly balanced cocktails in 10 to 30 seconds, using the ingredients you already have. Pair it with the app to browse recipes, or create your own and save them for next time. The insulated container keeps mixers cold for hours, and the clear windows show when you need a refill. Setup is quick, and cleaning is simple, so you can enjoy the party instead of working behind the bar. Meet the coffee machine that thinks like a barista. This all-in-one brewer grinds, weighs, and pours your coffee with precision, just how you like it. Choose from full automation or take control with manual settings to craft your perfect cup. The built-in scale and smart app make every brew consistent and easy. From bean to mug, it's pure coffee magic at the push of a button. No more guessing if the water's too hot or too cold. This smart faucet tells you the temperature in real time. No batteries needed. Its flexible spout rotates 360 degrees, making it super easy to wash your face, rinse your hair, or clean the sink from any angle. A quick touch switches between 3 water modes: a smooth stream, a wide rinse, or a powerful boost for tough spots. Built from solid brass with a sleek matte finish, it's designed to last and look good doing it. Cold wine should not be a struggle. This electric chiller keeps a single bottle at the perfect temperature with a brushed metal chamber that cools fast and stays clean. You set the exact temperature on the touchscreen from 41 to 64 degrees, and the display shows it clearly. No melting ice and no water puddles. It fits most standard bottles, and the elegant design works anywhere from a small kitchen to an RV. Upgrade your kitchen with this luxury fridge that combines style with powerful performance. Its spacious compartments hold everything neatly, while dual ice makers and an external water dispenser provide chilled water and ice on demand. Super cool and super freeze modes chill or freeze food quickly, keeping items fresh longer. Adjustable shelves, bright interiors, and sleek handles make organization simple and elegant. From daily groceries to entertaining guests, this fridge keeps everything perfectly stored and ready to enjoy. Sorting laundry doesn't have to be a chore. This hamper comes with 3 separate bags, so you can easily separate colors, whites, and delicates. Each bag has handles, making it simple to carry straight to the washer. The bags snap back into the basket when you're done, keeping everything neat and tidy. With a lid to hide laundry from sight, it's perfect for bedrooms, bathrooms, or laundry rooms. Need a table that fits right where you want it? This C-shaped side table slides perfectly under your couch or beside your bed. The roomy top holds your laptop, snacks, or drinks, making it super convenient. Made with a sturdy metal frame and durable wood surface, it's built to last. Simple to assemble and sleek in design, it's a smart addition to any living space. Why be stuck at a desk when your screen can follow you anywhere? This portable touch monitor has a built-in battery, so you can work, play, or stream without hunting for outlets. Roll it from room to room on 5 smooth wheels and swivel the screen to portrait or landscape with ease. You can mirror your phone, tablet, or laptop wirelessly with a simple tap. And AirPlay 2 lets you stream directly from Apple devices. Tired of juggling your tablet or phone while lying in bed or relaxing on the couch? This foldable holder keeps your device exactly where you want it. Its sturdy metal arm adjusts and swivels 360 degrees so you can watch, read, or video chat hands-free from any angle. Clamp it securely to your desk, nightstand, or headboard. It's strong, flexible, and perfect for everyday comfort and convenience. Pop the cork with zero effort. This electric wine opener uncorks up to 50 bottles on a single charge and recharges quickly for your next gathering. Just press remove to pull out the cork and eject to release it. It handles synthetic and natural corks without breaking them, and the included foil cutter trims seals neatly. Compact, cordless, and sleek, it's ready to serve wine anytime. Morning coffee just got way more exciting. This fully automatic espresso machine grinds fresh beans, froths milk to perfection, and brews everything from rich espressos to creamy lattes, all with one touch. You can even customize your own drink settings and store them for next time. With its built-in cleaning system and sleek design, it's like having a personal barista right in your kitchen. Ever wished your homemade meals could taste like fine dining? This Wi-Fi Sous Vide cooker makes that possible. Just set your temperature, connect through the app, and let it work its magic. No guesswork needed. It heats water precisely and evenly, locking in every drop of flavor and tenderness. Quiet, powerful, and app-controlled, it turns simple ingredients into perfectly cooked dishes every single time. Why settle for a plain side table when it can do so much more? This smart end table doubles as a powerful Bluetooth speaker with 2 10-watt stereo drivers and a subwoofer, filling your room with rich sound. It also charges your devices wirelessly or via USB while keeping everything within reach. Made from solid oak, it's sturdy, stylish, and easy to assemble without tools. Perfect for your bedroom, living room, or office. Summer just got a cool upgrade. This 2-in-1 bottle doubles as both an ice maker and a drink container, so you can freeze, press, and sip, all from the same cup. Just fill it up, pop it in the freezer, and press the top to release perfectly shaped ice cubes in seconds. It even comes with a built-in straw so you can drink straight from the bottle. Compact, clever, and ready to chill wherever you go. Meet the sink that redefines what a kitchen can do. Made from high-grade stainless steel with nanotech coating, it shrugs off rust, scratches, and stains. Just wipe it clean and it shines like new. Dual sliding tracks turn it into a full workstation, letting you chop, rinse, and dry all in one spot without losing counter space. The smart LED display shows real-time water temperature, while the pull-out faucet gives you 5 spray modes, 2 waterfalls, and even a built-in cup washer for effortless cleaning. Your whiskey nights just got an upgrade. This clear ice ball maker crafts crystal clear spheres that melt slowly, keeping your drink cold without watering it down. Using advanced cooling tech, it makes 4 perfect ice balls in just 40 minutes and up to 144 a day. You can hook it to a water line or use its built-in tank for non-stop ice. One-touch cleaning keeps every batch pure and ready to impress. One charger to rule them all. This 7-in-1 wireless station powers your phone, earbuds, smartwatch, and more, all at once. It even syncs time via Bluetooth and doubles as a clock with ambient lighting you can adjust for the perfect glow. Say goodbye to messy cables and tangled cords. Sleek, fast, and efficient, it keeps your entire setup charged, organized, and ready for anything. Imagine lounging on your couch and brewing a fresh cup without even standing up. These futuristic coffee tables hide a full espresso system right inside, giving you cafe-level drinks at the touch of a button. You get sleek, modern design on the outside and serious brewing power on the inside. Some even glow with soft LED lighting to set the mood. It's the ultimate upgrade for anyone who wants comfort and convenience in one place. Tired of cold food ruining the party? This extra-large warming mat keeps every dish perfectly hot and ready to serve. With 6 adjustable heat levels, you can keep soups steamy or desserts gently warm without overcooking. It heats up fast, rolls up for easy storage, and wipes clean in seconds. Whether it's family dinner or a big buffet, this mat keeps the warmth and the good vibes flowing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.